Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let's have the new topic, which is known as Introduction to Matter. And next picture is, the first topic is describing matter. So first of all, you need to understand very carefully that what is meant by matter. So matter is anything that takes up space and can be weighed. So in other words, matter has volume as well as having mass. So there are many different substances or types of matters in the universe. So we people, like chemists, usually describe matter based on both physical characteristics such as color or mass, and of course chemical characteristics such as how one type of matter interacts with another type of matter. So there are many ways to describe and classify matter, but this will be done later on. So if you look at these pictures, you can see the different forms of matter. These are the different forms of matter. Uh, Next, go to slide. Let me get my pen. Okay, now, what is matter? Anything that has mass and takes up space. For example, all the stuff around you is matter. You are matter too. Air, plastic, wood, glass, and cloth. These are all matter. Now here you can observe the different forms of matters. This form where the charged particles are present, that form is called plasma. And this is of course the gases, this is liquid, this is solid, and this is the condensation state of it's in between solid and liquid. So next, the very important thing to understand, first of all, that is what are the properties of matter. Matter can have many different properties or characteristics. For example, some are hard, some are soft, some are rough, some are smooth, some of them are hot, some of them are cold, solid, gas, etc. Number B, what is chemistry? Up here we can link chemistry with the matter. If you remember in my first lecture, I told you that there are two types of things on this globe, living and non-living. So all living stuff, non-living stuff is matter. And the study of this matter is called chemistry. So that is how the chemistry is directly linked to matter. So chemistry is the study of the properties of matter. क्या properties हैं, ठीक है? Because you know that properties are of two types, either they are physical or they are chemical. And how matter changes. How can we change one matter into another? और substance को हम कैसे describe करते हैं when we are studying chemistry is a single kind of matter. ये याद रखिएगा, whenever I use a word substance, it means a single kind of matter that is pure. That is pure. This is very important line. ठीक है, मैं इसको I can rub this line and I can इसको मैं थोड़ा सा highlight करती हूँ. Okay, so substance is a single kind of matter that is always pure, always has a specific makeup or composition and a specific set of properties. For example, water, carbon dioxide, for example, salt water, and so on. So ये substance है, ये pure होते हैं, right? So you remember this thing. Next is every form of matter has two kinds of properties. Number one is the physical property and number two is the chemical property. So physical properties जो हैं वो intact हैं. What they are the physical properties? For example, water की जो physical property है वो colorless और liquid state है, which can be changed. ठीक है. अब salt है, उसकी एक physical property है वो hard है. ठीक है. इसी तरह आप गोल्ड को ले लें, उसकी एक फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी है वो शाइनिंग है, हार्ड है. इसी तरह आप किसी भी चीज़ को ले लें, सिल्वर ले लें, ठीक है, कोई भी चीज़ ले लें, आप शुगर ले लें, राइट. सो इनकी जो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी होती है वही कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती है. लेकिन वेन एवर वी टॉक अबाउट द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, तो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आर when they interact with some other things, then how they behave. तो वहाँ पे आ जाती हैं chemical properties. अच्छा, अब physical properties is always associated with the pure substance that can be observed without changing into another substance. For a physical property है water की, for example, it always boils at 100 degree centigrade. तो ये pure water जो है वो हमेशा 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड वाटर टेम्परेचर पे बॉईल करेगा और जीरो पे आके वो सॉलिडिफाई होगा, उसकी स्टेट चेंज हो जाएगी फ्रॉम लिक्विड टू सॉलिड. सो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज को हम फिर यूं डिफाइन करते हैं कि इट इज अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ प्योर सब्सटेंस. मेल्टिंग पॉइंट्स इनके होते हैं, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स होते हैं, डेंसिटी आ जाती है, स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी आ जाती है, कलर आ जाता है, एंड सो ऑन. that can be observed, without changing it into another substance. ये physical properties है. अब आपको physical properties की एक example मैं आपको बताती हूँ. आप water, just take the water. Water is present in 3 different states. Number 1 is the solid, ice, liquid, water, gaseous, steam. ये 3 states हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन थिंग क्या है, वाटर ही है. सो जो वाटर सॉलिड स्टेट में, द वाटर विच इज इन द सॉलिड स्टेट, द वाटर विच इज इन द लिक्विड स्टेट, द वाटर विच इज इन द गैसियस स्टेट, they all solidify at 0 degree centigrade, they all boil as 100 degree centigrade, they have the density maximum at 4 degree centigrade. ठीक है, but states are different, appearance difference है, लेकिन ये pure substance है. So this is known actually physical properties. Freezes at 0, water freezes at 0 degree centigrade. Even though water is frozen, but it's still water. Now, physical properties जो हैं, on the basis of the physical properties, can be used to classify matter. Physical properties की ही basis पे हम इनकी classification भी कर सकते हैं. For example, metals classified by इनकी physical property, luster है, इनकी चमक है, ability to conduct heat and electricity, malleability है इनमें, ductile है, sheets में भी आप इसको convert कर सकते हो, इनको wires में भी convert कर सकते हो, right? तो ऐसी तमाम चीजें जो जिनमें these properties हों, उनको हमने just have given one name, that is known as metal. अब chemical property की तरफ आप आ जाएं. Say apple को आप काट के रखें, थोड़ी देर बाद आपको वो ब्राउन होता हुआ नजर आएगा. You just put the iron in the moist environment. After some time, you feel a brown substance on the surface of iron, right? So burning जो है, आग आप लगाते हैं, burning है, right? So let's have silver है, silver की ring है, अगर आप उसको कुछ अर्सा रख दें, moisture की वजह से, there is a black mass obvious on the surface, ठीक है, sulfur oxide है, tarnished जिसे कहते हैं. So chemical property is a characteristics of a pure substance that describes its ability to change into different substance. So chemical property क्या है? किसी भी pure subject की ability के उसमें क्या change आता है, ठीक है, उस ability को आप कहते हैं chemical property. And this is also used to classify substances. For example, methane gas है, natural gas जो हम घरों में सुई गैस के नाम से यूज करें, very combustible gas है, and create new substances when it combines with oxygen as it burns. So burning होगी, एग्जाम्पल है बर्निंग होगी, फ्लेमेबिलिटी होगी, ऑक्सीडेशन होगी, ये तमाम वो प्रोसेसेस है जिन जो कि केमिकल प्रोसेसेस हैं। इसके अलावा इफ़ यू गो टू सी आयरन को जब आप ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं तो रस्टिंग होती है, ठीक है। सिल्वर और सल्फर जो है वो टार्निश करते हैं। फॉर ऑल माय बेकर्स आउट देयर, यीस्ट एंड डो इंग्रेडिएंट्स और इज इक्वल टू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। उस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की प्रोडक्शन से आपके जो डो है वो राइज करती है, ब्रेड। So these are all chemical substance. Next आपकी अब आ जाती है this is all about the introduction. I think there are only 6 slides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are only 6 slides in this introduction, and I hope you understand this lecture properly. Okay, so thank you so much.